Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the best Flex City Voice Online redeem codes working right now in 2025. I spent a long time searching Google and YouTube trying tons of different redeem codes for Flex City Voice Online, and the ones that I'm going to show you today, guys, are by far the best. You can get free money, you can get free voice bucks, and you can also unlock everything, so you can get free gold as well. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do this. These are the best currently working Voice Online promo codes or redeem codes, and you just need to use your mobile phone, have an internet connection, guys, and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. Now this website, Cold Coupons, has loads of different redeem codes and promo codes on here. This is probably the best game codes website. Now if you go to the search bar at the top and just search for Voice Online, you should see this page, guys, Flex City Voice Online, and there are 3 verified promo codes available working today and highly rated. So scroll down. As I mentioned, you can get 1 million free voice bucks. You can get 100,000 free gold. As you can see, gold is pretty expensive, guys, as well as voice bucks. And also you can unlock everything in Voice Online. So this is going to unlock all cars and everything unlocked. So you just need to select which redeem code you want. I'm going to choose this one where it's 100,000 free gold. And this confirms your choice. This is a verified coupon and it's being used today. And you need to basically search for your code. Now these codes are limited, as you can see at the top here, because gold is pretty expensive. This does limit 1 code per person, and you can see, guys, it says your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So because it does limit 1 code per person, you do need to unlock your code by following the instructions on this screen here. And it says here you need to complete 2 tasks to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So you're going to have a list of free tasks here. They're all completely free and they're super easy, guys. They take a few minutes. You just need to follow the instructions, and they're usually things like free mobile games and surveys and stuff. So once you do that and fully complete 2 of those, your Voice Online redeem code will be fully unlocked, and you can go ahead and redeem it in game. And that is how to get free gold. As I showed you, you can also unlock everything and get free voice bucks as well. So yeah, head on over to Cold Coupons, and yeah, they're by far the best Voice Online redeem codes working in 2025. So enjoy, guys. Smash the like button. Let me know in the comment section if you know of any other redeem codes, and I can update the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.